The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Powerful Lessons in Personal Change, written by Stephen R. Covey, summarized by Audiobooks You Love. Have you ever had the impression that other forces are in charge of your life? Whether it's your work, relationships, or unforeseen events, it may frequently seem like the world controls your emotions and actions. You're certainly not alone if this speaks to you. Many people allow the world influence their ideas, attitudes, and behaviors throughout their life by responding to what is going on around them. The most successful and contented people, however, conduct their lives from the inside out, as noted by Stephen Covey, author of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. They concentrate on cultivating their inner character, beliefs, and ideals, rather than allowing outside influences to dictate their choices and interactions with the outside world. According to Covey, we may become better leaders, communicators, and problem solvers, and eventually lead more rewarding lives if we can grasp this inside-out method. We'll explore the insightful teachings from Covey's book in this video and talk about how we may use them to improve our personal and professional lives in the contemporary world. Lesson 1. Be proactive. The first habit is all about taking responsibility for your actions and reactions. Being proactive means recognizing that you have control over how you respond to any situation. It's about focusing on what you can control rather than worrying about things beyond your influence. Covey emphasizes the power of proactive language, using statements like "I can," "I will," and "I choose to," rather than the defeatist, reactive language of "I have to," "I can't," or "I must." In today's world, where many of us face challenges that feel out of our control, being proactive allows us to take charge of our own narrative. For instance, when stuck in traffic on the way to an important meeting, one person might feel helpless and frustrated, blaming the traffic for being late. But another person with a proactive mindset might look for alternative routes, notify the meeting organizer, and make the best of the situation. The key takeaway is that proactivity can empower us to shape our own outcomes, no matter the external circumstances. Lesson 2. Begin with the end in mind. Covey's second habit stresses the importance of having a clear vision for your life. Before starting any task, think about what you ultimately want to achieve and the values that are most important to you. Having a clear mental picture of your desired outcomes helps you align your actions and decisions with your long-term goals, rather than reacting to the immediate demands and distractions around you. For example, if you're managing a complex project at work, defining the end goal, from start to finish, helps you break down the steps needed to ensure success. By thinking with the end in mind, you're not just reacting to immediate pressures. You are proactively creating a clear roadmap for your future. Lesson 3. Put first things first. This habit is about prioritizing what truly matters. It's easy to get caught up in day-to-day demands, but effective people focus their time and energy on their highest priorities. Covey emphasizes that we need to organize our lives around our most important goals and values. By doing so, we prevent ourselves from being overwhelmed by less important distractions. Imagine being a busy working parent juggling countless tasks. By prioritizing your most important responsibilities, like family time, health, and meaningful work, you can regain control over your schedule. Learning to say no to less important commitments and delegating tasks, when possible, gives you more freedom to focus on what really matters. In modern life, where distractions are endless, this habit can help us regain a sense of control and peace. Lesson 4. Think win-win. This habit is all about fostering a mindset of collaboration and mutual benefit. In both business and personal relationships, Conflict often arises when people are solely focused on their own interests. Thinking win-win encourages us to find solutions that benefit everyone involved, promoting a spirit of cooperation rather than competition. By applying this mindset, you can transform how you relate to others. Whether you're working with colleagues on a project or resolving personal conflicts, a win-win approach creates better outcomes for everyone. It's about building stronger relationships and finding creative solutions that work for all parties, which is especially important in today's interconnected world. Lesson 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication is at the heart of success in all areas of life, and Covey's 5th habit highlights the importance of truly listening to others. Too often, people are quick to speak and slow to listen, leading to misunderstandings. Covey teaches us that the key to effective communication is empathetic listening, actively seeking to understand the other person's perspective before sharing our own. By practicing this, you can improve your relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and create a deeper sense of trust with others. Whether you're negotiating with a colleague or having a personal conversation, starting with empathy and understanding can lead to more meaningful interactions and outcomes. Lesson 6. Synergize. Synergy is about collaboration and teamwork, and it's the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. When individuals work together, they can achieve far more than they could alone. This habit emphasizes the importance of working together in a way that leverages everyone's strengths and ideas. In the workplace, synergy can help teams accomplish complex tasks more effectively, and in personal relationships, it can lead to deeper, more satisfying connections. Today, in a world that increasingly values collaboration, synergizing with others can help you solve problems more creatively and achieve better results. Lesson 7. Sharpen the saw. Finally, Covey's 7th habit is about taking time for self-renewal. Just as a saw becomes dull with use, we must regularly take care of ourselves, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, in order to stay effective. This includes exercising, eating well, learning new things, and reflecting on your personal values. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the importance of self-care. However, taking time for self-renewal not only helps us avoid burnout, but also ensures we can be our best selves in all aspects of life. Applying these lessons to modern life. In today's world, where we are constantly navigating personal, professional, and social pressures, these 7 habits provide a solid foundation for living a balanced and effective life. They teach us to focus on what we can control, prioritize our time, communicate with empathy, collaborate with others, and take care of our well-being. As you reflect on these principles, think about how you can incorporate them into your daily life. How can you be more proactive? What does your end in mind look like for the next year? What small changes can you make today to start living more intentionally and effectively? If you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into personal growth, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Audiobooks You Love, where we regularly share insightful content, book summaries, and motivational strategies to help you lead a more fulfilling life. Hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Let's continue this journey together. Please leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments. How have these habits impacted your life? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.